I am going to call the docket of Sean.
Yes, Judge.
Happy Black History Month.
Happy Black History Month.
Megan, happy Black History Month. All right, and I know everybody already knows him, but Sean, today it will be Jesse Jackson. All right, everyone, I'm gonna call the docket. When I call the docket, you need to stand and let me know you're here. Otherwise, I'm gonna assume you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. In custody, we have Gustavo Jimenez, Christian Allen Ruiz Garcia. Thank you. Ryan Westbrook. Ryan Jordan Westbrook. Chris Cervantes. Angie Ford, custody. Malik Lampkin, I think that has been reset. Jesus Suarez Moreno. Thank you. Oscar Carvajal, custody. Aureliano Salazar, custody. Michelle, I'm proud of myself. I did very well with that name. Austin Rodriguez, custody. Carl Robinson, custody. Carlos Antonio Gonzalez. Darren Daniel Villarreal. Thank you. Charles Atwell, custody. Ashia Santoya. Edward Castillo, custody. Augustine Sanchez Jr.
And just like that, core reality sets in. This isn't suggestion. It's a roll call with consequences. If your name gets called and you don't respond, the court doesn't assume traffic or a dead phone. It assumes you chose not to show up, and that's how warrants are born. Docket calls may sound routine, but they're one of the fastest ways to make your situation worse if you're not paying attention.
Marlon John, custody. Maria Ruiz, custody. Jose Armando Mejia, custody. David Cortez Jimenez. David Cortez Jimenez. Napoleon Velasquez, custody. Jonathan Alfaro. Jonathan Lee Alfaro. That should be custody. Okay. Yes. Can you make sure he was ordered? Okay. If not, we'll take it up on a different day. Joaquin Mendez, custody. Angie Ford, Maria Ruiz, custody. Adis Hernandez Rivas, Stevie Stokes, custody. Linda Flores, custody. Ray Guthrie. Thank you. Julian Juarez. Thank you. Anyone whose name was not called? All right. Rules of the court. Number one, I have a meeting at 11:30, so I'm going to have to leave at 11. You're not ready to approach me until you confer with the state and confer with your client. If your client is in custody, ask the deputy, have them brought out. You're not ready if your client is not before me. If your client wishes to speak to me in a language other than English, whether you speak the language or not, you'll need to let the clerk know. They'll call for an interpreter. Once you've requested your inmate, if they're in custody, once you've requested an interpreter, please do not leave the courtroom. We have a limited number of interpreters, and for security reasons, there's a limited number of inmates that are allowed in the box at one time. If your client is seeking probation, if your client is on probation, you need to confer with probation. They're an integral part of the system. Now, we're going paperless. So what does that mean? That means you need to check in with the clerk, let her know you're ready, sign in, and I'll call you in the order of appearance. And when you check in with the clerk, please let them know the reason for your readiness. Is it a probation? Is it you want a reset? Is it a discovery issue? Let them know so that we can take you up as quickly as possible. All right, everyone, please confirm.
Okay. So here's the judge.
Are you okay?
Do you guys do anything? Oh, so that's why that I think.
Yes.
Dismissal from the state.
Ray Guthrie, he's on the third, it's on the
Well,
last page of
a
the
couple
docket.
other things I'm sure.
I think him and my other client both have motions, but I think I'll get it. Okay,
It's the agreement.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Can you rewrite this one because the county courts want to sign their own dismissals?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. so
Acknowledge.
You'll just.
Yeah, I'll get that done
All right, thank you.
easily. Yes, thank you.
This is recent investigation. I cannot. but I can tell you this. Here, bylaw has involved in making this. It won't give details for that.
This part may sound like housekeeping, but it's actually courtroom triage. The judge is managing time, security, interpreters, probation, and custody logistics all at once. These rules aren't about control, they're about efficiency. If you skip steps, your case doesn't move faster. It moves to the bottom of the pile.
okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
And then they do discuss this case. In paragraph 7, which goes through a couple of pages, but this is the stuff he's here for today. There's no accountable. I got to report it. At your leisure, because it'll be over there. And then they don't have to. There's not merchant.
Yes.
Joaquin Mendes is on your docket for today. I have to be in federal court at 10 a.m.
Okay, just give me one second. Let me sign into Odyssey right quick so I can put it in. So it won't take,
Yeah, let me do it.
oh, it won't take that long. Oh, tell Jason I said hello.
Who's that, Judge? Do I know such character?
I'll take the.
I already gave it enough. Bringing my lunch. What do we get?
It's the same thing, but just without.
No, chef. No.
Oh, okay.
No, chef would have had it done before. Chef. Feels like so meal prep for you.
All right, we're getting there.
Coconut rice. We'll cross coconut rice again. I think I've ever tried that before.
Oh, yeah.
My personal chip.
Okay, Robert, it's logging me in now. Wait, this password does not meet the length.
Found a few things that. It's like. It's. Like one. He's fine. He's sorry.
The password, it's killing me.
Big. So frustrating.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know how they're saying this password is not meeting the requirements. Okay,
Like you need a separate program to manage your password.
yes. Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Over in federal court now, they require us to use multi-factor authentication,
Mhm.
which is a separate app app or program that
Mhm.
generates this number that you
Mhm.
then have to, after you log in, you have to put this number
Ah,
in order to actually get at what you need to get at. It's so frustrating.
well, the number of passwords you have to remember, it's like,
Oh, it's
and
crazy.
some people are saying just have one created for you.
Yeah,
All right, so it's logging me in now, I think. So who is your guy?
it's Joaquin Mendez.
Joaquin Mendez.
Yes, we've been delaying on him because he had been in federal court
Okay,
and was finally sentenced. I've given Megan all the paperwork on that. But unfortunately, I've got to be back in federal court at 10 a.m.
okay, what is your client's cause number?
It's he's got two, Judge.
Okay,
Let's see.
and he's on the docket today, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying to find him on the docket.
It's 2023.
Ah,
I'm sorry, that's another person. I apologize.
yeah, we're looking for Mendez.
2023, 1197 and 1198. Are you all working this afternoon?
No, because I have to go to a meeting that they have arranged.
Oh, boy. Gotta
Yeah,
watch
I'm
out for those
supposed to,
days.
well,
They
you
run
know,
the docket, you know?
they do. I'm supposed to be doing a continuing legal education thing. So I've got to learn to say no. Because between this and teaching, yeah,
That's a
but
lot.
it's fun.
That's a lot. Well, if
Okay, so the federal court date, 2/16, what happened?
he was sentenced to 240 months
Okay,
on that date. Megan has a copy of the judgment.
Mhm.
So she's working up an offer on his two cases here, same episode cases. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be back till noon from federal court.
no, what I'll do is I'll recall it. Norma, on Mendez, I need a 3-week reset.
And he's in custody, Judge, so he's not
Is
going
he,
anywhere.
he's in custody oh, this is Mr. Mendez here.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
that's it. Yes, he was written here.
All right.
I think it March 10th.
All right, so sir, we're going to come back on March 10th in regards to your cases you have here, okay? All right, Norm, if you make sure you put a hold on him.
Good to see you.
All right. Do you have any questions? All right, thank you. We'll see you back on March 10th.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
That right there changes everything. A 240-month federal sentence, 20 years, casts a long shadow over this courtroom. Even though these are state cases, federal time dominates the conversation. Judges and prosecutors now have to decide, do these cases matter independently, or do they simply run alongside a sentence that already spans decades? This is where strategy quietly replaces drama.